Garden Center and century plant, or agave. This is that's a artichoke agave. Now the plant has died, but look what it's done. She has put up this gigantic flower stalk that goes up to the moon. I mean, this thing's got to be 15 feet tall. So wait, let me see if I can back up so you can see that thing. So she's sacrificed herself to put this gigantic flower. It's a huge pollinator. So bees and butterflies, bumblebees, been up there, and she is going to set seed. And what will happen in about a year, this thing will drop down to the ground, just kind of collapse down over here, and she'll be able to set up a new family about 15 feet from here. So she's died, but take a look at this. She'll leave pups behind. This is a nursery for little tiny baby agaves. So this is how these natives work. So they are, let me get to flip that thing out. She'll sacrifice herself, leave her babies behind, and then have 15 feet away another pod. So out in the wild, you'll see that on the top of the Bradshaws, pods of these agaves or century plants. The rumor is they bloom once every 100 years. That's the name, century plant. But really, it's, if they're in a happy setting, this would be every 15, 20 years. So agaves, what you'll do with this, just cut this down, and people can save these. They can just do things with them. It's kind of fun. And then you'll just dig this one up, the old dead one, next year sometime. And then let the pups grow. And that's how you take care of agaves out in the full sun areas of your yard.
Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.